If you're thinking about adding a whole house humidifier, one of the first questions you probably have is, how much does it cost? Hello, I'm Kenny Abel, Product Manager for Indoor Air Quality at Carrier. Let's talk about the key factors that can affect the overall cost of your investment. The first factor is the type of humidifier. Different systems like bypass, fan-powered, or steam come with different features and installation needs. Each offers unique benefits, and your home size and heating system will help determine the right fit and effect cost. The second factor is the labor involved. Labor costs vary across the United States, and the location of the humidifier system in your home can affect the amount of time it takes technicians to complete that installation. For example, installing a whole home humidifier in a garage or an easy-to-access utility closet may be less expensive than installing in an attic or a crawl space. The last factor is the existing HVAC system. Some humidifiers will integrate more easily with certain furnace types or configurations. Your HVAC setup could impact the time and materials needed for installation. Because so many variables go into pricing, the best way to get an accurate estimate is to contact your local Carrier dealer. They can evaluate your home, recommend the best humidifier for your needs, and provide you with a detailed quote. Here's to healthier, more comfortable indoor air all year long.